Hello, let's talk slides. Can be a very emotive topic for some people. Look at this. This is a ordinary slide, not very pretty, lots of things we could and we should do to it. I want to share with you today one trick that transforms the readability of your slides. Now, we don't know the story of this slide and we don't need to know in order to see that it's told vertically from top to bottom. Now this is a leftover from a time when screens were 4:3. Now screens are 16:9 and slides are wider and not as high. And that means we create those long bullet points that nobody reads. And on top of this, we create white space that normally is really good, but it's really weird. Look at the white space next to the short bullet points. Here's a trick. Shift from vertical stories to horizontal stories. And the mechanism is very simple. Use columns. Here is how it looks. It's the same content, didn't do anything to it, but you can see that what was a long bullet point now is a short paragraph, which makes it much easier to read. And what was unhelpful white space now is really helpful white space because it separates the columns. Just to prove the point, look at this. I just increased the font size and added some space between the paragraphs, and you can see it still holds. It's very simple. When you think slides, think horizontal stories.